create a new users and store it in MongoDB database. So as in last video, we have seen that we have stored the token and created a JWT secret key in our env file. Now in the same way, now we will create a generate token method, and the already created generate token method we will just call it. Okay, so the generate token which we have created in our this file, we can directly in the new user, when we go, we can ensure that new user is exists in the database. Means when we are provisioning a new user, we will call this generate token method. So once the new user gets created, we will this generate token will create it and in the form of a user ID. Now this new user which we have created, this will come with the underscore ID. So this is an already inbuilt ID which is parameter in our Node.js, which would be we have to take it with underscore ID, and this response which is coming from this method express constant sign up. This method will call the response, and in this response we will save this new user by using await method. Now after that, we have set a status code of 201, which means that it would be assigning the or saving the values for the new user in a database with the profile pic. Okay, and if this condition does not satisfy, we will handle the catch block. Now this catch block would be responsible for managing the error message. Means if there is any sign up error in controller, then it will display the status error with 500 with an internal server error. Okay, means there is would be problem with the server with the regarding to the Node.js connectivity. So now after that, we would create in the next video the collection, or we can say a collection for managing the workspace, for managing the JWT token. So I hope this would be clear to you. And in the upcoming videos, we would be saving the newly created user in our database, and by creating a collection in our Postman tool. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next videos.